Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here of Bolex Repair Philippines. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make sure that you know how your film is advancing through your camera. So let's say you went ahead and loaded your film through your Bolex. Next you need to wind it. So flip up the turn key and start winding it. Alright, so next you want to locate, you see where my thumb is, right here is the film counter. After that you want to press the film button, which is located up here where my other film is. My thumb is right there. Okay. So I'll bring this into the screen, and you see where my thumb is right here, that's the film counter. And now I'll press the film button, and you'll start to see right here the film counter advance. Now what most people will do, and is suggested that after you load your film, is to go ahead and get it to the number 1 spot, which would be this little dot. And most people will suggest you stop it right there and then start filming. Okay? And that's actually true, and that type of a thing. Now you're ready to film, and you know your film is advancing through the camera, and you're ready to shoot. Alright? What I also suggest is if you're filming creative movies such as experimental horror films like I do, is basically the minute that you went ahead and loaded your film and you've advanced it through there just a short bit, you can go ahead and start filming, because the little dots in the little holes in the film at the beginning of the film, you can leave that in there, and they go ahead and it gets recorded. Your image gets recorded over that and gives a very creative image onto your movie. Alright? It's very nice and very creative, and just something to think about if that you want that type of image in there. If you don't, just do it the original way suggested. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click a like on my videos. Thanks a lot, and bye-bye.